This video is your step-by-step quick start guide to your new Revitive Medic Circulation Booster. In the box, you'll find the Revitive Medic, the user's manual, a power adapter, remote control with 2 AAA batteries, and a pair of electrode body pads and electrode cord. Revitive Medic and Medic Knee are cordless, with up to 7 days of runtime. Each can also be used by plugging the power cord into the side of your device. This also starts the recharging. We say Revitive is easy to use, and it is. Place your bare feet on. Turn it on using the remote control, and start turning up the intensity. The timer will start counting down from 30 minutes, and the intensity goes from level 1 all the way up to 99. Keep turning up the intensity until you feel a very strong leg muscle contraction and the device starts rocking. Just to be clear, it's not the user who makes the device rock. It will occur automatically when you have achieved good leg muscle stimulation. With a strong leg muscle contraction, your toes naturally point downwards and your heels raise, rocking the device forwards. When the stimulation stops, your leg muscles relax and the device rocks backwards again. If we zoom into the calf muscle, you'll see it really gets your leg muscles moving. Revitive's clinically proven OxyWave technology stimulates your leg muscles to increase the flow of oxygen-rich blood and nutrients. This relieves leg aches and pains, reduces cramp, reduces swollen feet and ankles, and importantly, helps you to walk further. For best results, you need to use Revitive every day for 30 to 60 minutes. If you remove both feet from the foot pads, then Revitive will pause the stimulation for up to 10 minutes. Handy in case you need to answer the door or fetch another cup of tea or coffee. When you are ready to resume, just place both feet back on the foot pads and press the plus intensity control button. The fact is, clinical studies show that if you use Revitive at least once a day for 6 to 8 weeks, you'll feel better and can start getting back to doing the things you love.